Hello everyone. Today Zoe and I are doing some waterfall walks in Lawn. You ready, Zoe?
I'm ready.
Mud already on my shoes. Zoe's you can't really see because they're black.
Black.
Smart choice.
Oh, I'd have gotten a lot of mud then though.
Karma. Zoe's found some pretty mushrooms. Now Zoe, you ready for limbo or are you going over?
I'm gonna go over it, I think. Nice and easy.
Literally slipped before and I had to get myself up. Look at my lovely shoes. Slip over, let's see if I don't do it again. Oh, she's clear.
Got my balance back.
Zoe onto the bridge. You okay? How cool. Hold on here.
Yeah.
Monkey bars. There's a kangaroo here. I'm going to zoom in.
A little closer. Okay, it's definitely a kangaroo, not a rock. Hi, cutie. Hello. It's actually really cute.
It's friendly.
Hey, buddy.
It's eating grass.
You're not even scared of us.
It's actually quite chill.
I got a baby in his pouch.
I reckon that is a baby. Do you reckon? I don't know. How can you tell?
Is that his butthole? I don't know.
That's its private parts. Oh, now it's moving.
Hi, buddy.
Zoe's attempting a photo. Wish her luck. Okay, off to our next waterfall. Zoe, are you ready?
Let's go.
We saw a koala. Zoe doesn't know if it was a baby in it or not.
It's a kangaroo, not a koala.
A kangaroo, sorry, wrong animal. Zoe wants to see a koala though. So we have done 7.84. Pretty good. And we think it's about a 12k loop. So wish us luck. Go Zoe, you've got this.
Almost there. Oh, I can see the river. Look, almost there.
Well, a slight little issue.
Got a bit of a problem. We're meant to cross this river. I don't think we're going to be able to cross. We've come so close. We're like
Come so
a few
far.
hundred metres from the waterfall, but I don't think we're going to make it. I think we have to turn back.
I don't think we're wussing out.
Nah. I just like, even this way, you can't really go much further along. There's not really a path anymore.
No. The path's underwater, I think. We've decided to turn around here
Yeah.
because we don't really want wet feet to make us slip even more.
And we've got a really steep hike back up. Basically up that whole mountain, right up there. We have to climb up.
Wish
to
me
get back
luck.
to the car, so I don't want that in wet feet.
Me either. We're starting to walk up the hill. Wish us luck. It's like gets even steeper. That's the...
Alright, we've got 1.5 kilometres of uphill.
Wish us luck.
We got this.
We can do it. Let's go. I'm gonna have to put you in my pocket in a minute, phone. I'm a bit stuck in the tree right now. So I think you're going into my pocket because I've still got all this to go if I can unstuck.
This is the bit that was so scary going down. It's so much better
It
going up.
was so scary going down this bit.
It's so slippery. Going up's actually fine.
So far.
No, this is the worst bit. This is the bit we were struggling.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to hold onto a tree in a minute. Put you guys in my pocket again. Oh my god, so much more. It's very steep, this bit.
Look at going back down. I can't believe we went down there.
Can't believe we went all the way down there. How crazy. We've got to hold onto a tree. We're getting there. Still got a lot way to go. Oh, don't fall. Putting you back in my pocket. So we did the deadly hill.
We survived.
Zoe slipped so many times on the way down.
Yeah.
I couldn't film because I was slipping too. And then we had to walk all the way up it.
We both had a full stack. Like both ended up fully on the ground, didn't we?
We did. It was a killer, but that's all right.
We made it.
We made it. Now we've got a...
Cruisy 1.5k walk back on the road, back to the car.
And it's kind of at one level at the moment, but I think it's downhill. Well, I prefer downhill, but I didn't prefer the downhill of that one.
That was a bit steep.
Scary.
Yeah.
We finally made it. It was nice. I really enjoyed the walk. I found it hard though. My shoes are so muddy, so I get to put it in a paper bag. Look at my shoes. That is mud. But that's okay. Got a paper bag for the car to put my shoes in. Sandwiches. This is our lunch view. at the beach and lawn. We've got heaps of friends here. I'm trying to eat my sandwich. They're all down here. Ah! That one just flew.
You're getting way too close. Go away.
We got too many friends.
close it's getting.
Zoe, how many friends do we have?
Too many.
That one's going to eat the sandwich. Ah!
Go away. They're not even scared.
They're not. You got one away.
God, I'm more scared.
That one's staying.
Off you go. Bye-bye.
Be gentle.